Hi everybody, it's Therese. I'm back with another video, and today I wanted to share some happy mail that I got from my friend Vicki, and she sent it. So blessed. I love that. I want to show her address, but she had decorated this up, and it was so cute. So I wanted to come on real quick and share. Um, she's been making some beautiful cards, and she said, I have a card for you, Tereese. And I was like, oh my gosh, I'm having a Vicki card. And I think I want to say we did a swap. I can't remember. It's been a while. And she was checking on my address, and she said, oh, do you still live on this street? And I said, no, I actually have moved. And she goes, well, luckily I asked. So let me open this card, and it's on this really pretty sparkly paper, and I could just already see the pretty card. Oh my gosh. Look how cute this is. Okay, I am loving this embossing folder. I'm gonna have to get that. But look how pretty, and I love, oh, is this lace? Oh my gosh. Yes, that is little tiny lace around the heart. And I think she showed this in one of her videos. And look how dainty everything is. Let me pull you up a little bit so you can see the whole card. Look how pretty. And then when you open it up, she has this paper in here with the heart. Oh my gosh. Is there another heart here? Oh, look, it's in between the wax paper. Or I don't know what kind of paper this is. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, Vicki, thank you so much. And thank you for the note inside. And then I love this. This is so pretty. And then she gave me a little something, and I'm gonna cut it. Because I'm not very good with saving paper. Although I love this paper you use, Vicki. See, I'm not good at it. Oh, no way! She sent me. She's been making these. Oh my gosh. Oh, and it's a magnet. Oh, where am I going to put it? I love this. I can put this on my refrigerator. Oh, thank you. Oh, I love this. I love the bicycle. Oh my gosh, I love it. Thank you, Vicki, for your sweet, sweet happy mail. I've been so busy with life, and this came at a great time. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now. Thank you, Vicki.